Okay. Hey guys, my name is David Zhang, and I will be teaching, or primarily teaching, some of the officers will join as well, our DSA and computer science or competitive programming course, and I'm really excited. Basically, the idea is we're going to go for a range of topics. We're going to start off like easy stuff like time complexity and maybe like brute force algorithms like DFS, BFS, and then we'll be going into more advanced topics, possibly geometry. I'm not that good at geometry. Game theory. I'm not that good at geometry. Or not. I'm okay at game theory. And hopefully we'll get to do dynamic programming. The other officers are a little scared of it because it's known to be pretty tough, but I think I can do it. And hopefully everyone else will enjoy my teaching. And so the idea is we want to, for our club, is to get more people into competitive programming as well as, I guess, like get good at coding in general. Like a lot of the stuff we'll be learning in our data structures or in my data structures and competitive programming course is going to help you with your school as well if you're taking any like computer science course, even principles, computer science principles. You're going to be ace in that class because I think hopefully I can talk about bytes and all that stuff and how that's important. But you're going to be acing your comp sci course after you take my class. So I'm really excited. Let's see. We'll go into the applications. Let's see. So if you want to take or do CP, competitive programming, you're going to see a lot of benefits. First benefit is if you're going into if you're majoring in some sort of computer science field, you're definitely going to be going into data structures and algorithms. You're going to be learning like AVL trees, Fenwick trees. There's a lot of trees, but you're going to be learning a lot of cool stuff. And it all starts with here. And if you want to join the summer and take initiative, you're going to learn a lot of stuff and you're going to be very prepared for the future. Not only that, for jobs like high paid software engineering jobs at like big companies like Fang, they'll be doing these things called coding interviews, which you're given a problem, solve it within a time limit and memory limit. And with this prior knowledge from just like practicing in high school, you're going to be getting those jobs not only like easier, but like you're going to do it like it's your sleep. Like you can do it in your sleep. It's going to be easy. Although it's going to be a lot of practice, but you're going to be prepared and you're going to be so happy that you've done this if you're pursuing a computer science job. And yeah, you're going to be very happy. You're going to get like paid a lot with that too. And so also a lot of big companies in the FANG area, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, all that stuff, they have these like coding competitions where competitive coding competitions like Google's CodeJam and Kickstart. If you basically win those, you can get like a job at Google, like a really good job at Google. And I think Facebook has their Facebook Hacker Cup, basically the equivalent. And yeah. But another cool thing is, since we're in high school, we can do Olympiads, similar to Scioli, whatever the biology one is. I think there's like other stuff. And the math one, of course. Math counts and AMC, very similar to that. You'll basically get a one-way trip to MIT if you do well. Let me explain. In USICO, which is the USA Computing Olympiad, which is in America, basically if you're a finalist, which is top 16 in the nation, which is very hard, by the way, every single one of them has got an offer from MIT and either joined it or went to like Stanford. It's pretty crazy. Yeah. So, but the benefits for student and high school students specifically is basically endless. So yeah. Prerequisites. What do you need? So you're gonna need basically two things. One would be a strong base in math. Now you don't have to be like a genius and know like calculus or anything. Calculus is, well, it's hard, but you don't have to know calculus or anything like crazy like that. But maybe like a strong basis in like algebra 1. Geometry would be kind of cool because you kind of want that spatial knowledge, but just be good at math. If you don't like math, this probably isn't the thing for you. And you also need to know a programming language. Yeah, so that could be If you don't know any programming language, you can literally just go to like online and find like a Python course. You really only need to know like the basics, like variables, for loops, while loops, all that stuff, like if statements, else statements, all that stuff, you know. Um, yeah. Yeah. So if you take my course, I hope you're excited. I hope y'all can join, and I hope y'all, I guess, learn something out and something new. I've already prepared the slides, and hopefully people will like it. Oh, the format. How it's going to be is it's going to be an hour-long lecture, which I will teach like concepts. The first day will be like time complexity, coding languages, and like the basics. Then we'll have a 30-minute break, and then we'll have a contest after that, a mock contest. So we'll be practicing contests over and over again, just like in like an actual contest next year in the school year. And maybe we'll have prizes. I don't know. I don't have like a bank account, or I'm not like loaded or anything. But I hope y'all can join. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm probably gonna be putting this on like YouTube. Because I do have like a YouTube channel where I post like competitive programming contest solutions, but it's kind of cringe, and you can watch me like do dumb stuff. But yeah, and I hope y'all excited. You all are excited. I've said that 3 times, but I'm really excited. So see you out there, and I hope you can join.